Yes, generative AI is coming for your job, but in this video, I'm going to share with you a few reasons why you should be excited. Now, if you've been following my page for a while, you're well aware that I've been plugging you in with the best AI news and strategies, getting you prepared for the age of AI, and if not, make sure you do and share this with a friend who needs it. Now, one of the reasons you should be excited about this is because AI can do all the jobs that we consider to be boring, such as customer service and data entry. Let's keep it real. AI will open up doors for you to explore your creativity and free you from boring and time-consuming tasks. Number 2, it will provide a clearer and easier path to productivity. AI can help you save time and automate things in ways we've never seen before, so it's a no-brainer not to use AI inside of your workflow today. Number 3, it will provide you time to do actual interesting activities. AI will now free up your time so you can provide high value into the things that you're actually interested about. It'll allow you to approach more topics at scale and speed, increasing your efficiency, and that's only where the excitement begins. If you want actual use cases and practical AI implementation, be sure you go and check out all the AI gems on my page. And make sure you follow if you want to stay plugged in with the best AI tools, news, and strategies you need for the next industrial revolution. Let's get it.